Alrighty, here we go. This is 2021 Onyx Vintage Football, 24 box case, random box break at number 3. This is the last one that we are doing on the Onyx Vintage Football. They do come out with a baseball product that I ordered, and actually they're coming out with a basketball product as well that I just recently ordered. So Onyx stepping up their game, diversifying, not just baseball now. They're coming out with basketball and the foosball. Which I think the price is right on these little boxes. I mean, unlicensed stuff, you know, on-card autos, 2 autos per box. In the climate that we're in, you know, it's not bad. How did I do this before? Oh, let's just go like this. This one. This one. All right, can you see the ones on top barely? Yeah, all right. So we got box 1 all the way up top, all the way down to 12, 13 to 24. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all that, all the way down. 1, 12, 13, 24. Apparently can't count right now. All right, so here is, so we got the boxes 1 through 24, like I just said. Here are the break participants. Each spot's going to get 1 personal box, 1 random box, okay? 2 on-card autos and 2 base cards per box. Randomize on both, match you guys up. We're going 4 and a 4, 8 times on both, 8 times. Josh down to Chris. That was on 8, 4 and a 4 is 8. Here we go in the boxes. Box number 21 down to box number 23. Box 21 to 23, 8, 8, 8, 4 and a 4. Oh yeah, crap, I forgot that it does that. It's not going to sort it out the way I wanted it to. Alright, what do we need here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so we're going to take this one, copy. Paste that there, delete that, copy, paste. There we go. Got to format it a little bit there. The way it sorts it, if you have text in front of the numbers, the way it sorts it in Excel's a little weird. All right, 2021 Onyx Vintage Football, 24 box case, random box break number 3. It's the last one that we are doing. Box number 1 from the case going out to Rocky. Is that how you say it? Rocky. Trey Lance, rookie. Chuba Hubbard. Thomas Graham Jr., blue ink. And Liam Eckenberg, blue ink. Got a lineman and a cornerback. right, box number 2 going out to JR. Mac Jones. Redemption for Brevin Jordan. Redemption. And Brandon Smith, wide receiver out of Iowa, blue ink. Adam is up. Parsons, Weddington, Elijah Moore, wide receiver, blue ink, and Najee Harris, green ink, numbered to 50. Nice box, Adam. There you go, Adam. Najee Harris, green ink. The greens are numbered to 50. Najee Harris, rookie autograph, numbered to 50. Nice box. Back to JR for box number, what is it, box 4? Moore, Trey Smith, Mac Jones, JR, there you go. Mac Jones and Eli Manning. Wow, nice freaking box. 2004 number 1 pick inscribed. Hell of a box. JR. Mac Jones and an Eli Manning autograph. And these are nice, man. I'm telling you. I know it's unlicensed and all that. You know, we can go on and on, but hey, man, if it's nice, it's nice. Eli Manning and Mac Jones autograph. You know, it's no NT football or nothing, but there you go, JR. Scott, you're up. Little curveball. Little curveball on the Eli Manning. Jalen Waddle. Phillips. Kadarius Toney. And Levi O, defensive lineman out of Washington. Green ink, numbered out of 50. Going out to Scott K. Need some more sleeves. So I got a pack of sleeves sitting over here. Usually I got an extra pack, just always hiding out just in case I need them. But I think I used it the other day. No. Adam for 2 in a row, right? Box 6 and 7. 6 there, 7 here. Trey Hill, Eckenberg, Garrett Wallow, linebacker. Marco Wilson, DB out of Florida, green ink, numbered out of 50. This guy, however you say his name, go Knowles inscribed, and Dwayne Eskridge, wide receiver. All right, so that was boxes number 6 and 7 for Adam. Up next is going to go Mike. All right, Mike. This guy, check out his auto, just a little whoop, whoop. Sam Ellinger, quarterback out of Texas, now with the Indianapolis Colts. Up next, going out to Josh. Ainsley, Eli, this guy, wide receiver, and Adrian Ely. I don't know how to say that. Lineman. Not a whole lot there for you, Josh. Do you have another box coming? Yeah, you got more coming up later on down the road, huh? Oh my goodness. All right, Scott K back up with another box. Parsons, Sertan, Ardarius Washington, and Anthony Hines III, linebacker. That's green ink, numbered out of 50, Texas A&M. All right, Julian, you are up, my friend. Box number 11. McMath, wide receiver, LSU. Patrick Johnson, DN. I don't know what school that is. Maybe Coastal Carolina? What school did Patrick Johnson play at? Oh, Tulane. It says it on the back. That don't look like Tulane. I guess it does, the green face mat. Dude, I just want to know when we're getting a new freaking NCAA football video game. I can't wait. Last one, 2014, man. It's been too long. It's going to be like a whole decade before they come out with the one, you know? All right, Scott's back up, box number 12. I know, dude, even popping in 2014, it's still an awesome game. You do some update, you get download some of the current rosters that somebody put together, you know. NCAA 14, still a banger. But I would love to have just like updated graphics and you know what I mean. not have to play it on a PS3, and it's gonna be so sick. Gold wire. Smith Marsetti, blue ink autograph. And this dude out of Oregon, cornerback. Scott. JR, unlucky box number 13. Diami Brown, Go Hills inscribed, wide receiver, blue ink, and TCU safety. This guy started off strong, has been cooling off here heavily. Chris C, box number 14 and 15. You got 2 in a row. Good luck, Chris. Starting off with a couple of nice base cards at least. Kyle Pitts, rookie. Justin Herbert. Terrence Marshall Jr., wide receiver out of LSU. And Jalen Phillips, defensive line. Looks like Miami. Yep. University of Miami. Demetric Felton, running back, blue ink, and Trey Smith, blue ink autograph. right, box number 16, Adam. Elijah Molden, blue ink autograph, and I just saw a red ink. Cameron Sample, defensive end, red ink. The Reds are numbered out of 25. Eric. Vera Tucker. And Jalen Mayfield. Yeah, man, we already did the optic earlier, man. Should be on YouTube if you wanted to watch the video. But yeah, we did the optic earlier. Adam, back up with Adam. Najee Harris base. Jared Goldwire, blue ink. Otis Anderson Jr., running back. Central Florida. Okay, up next is Chris. Anthony Hines III, blue ink autograph. The same dude from earlier, TCU safety. I think that was probably like the same box from earlier. Collins, linebacker, blue ink autograph. There we go. How about Zach Wilson? Have yourself a break, JR. Nice. Zach Wilson, blue ink on card autograph. BYU to the Jets. JR, have yourself a break, my friend. Nice. All right, up next we got Josh for 2 in a row. Parsons, redemption. Horn, DB with the red ink, numbered out of 25, South Carolina. Sample, blue ink. This guy, blue ink. Nothing too exciting there. Chris, here we go with your last box, man. Good luck to you. Then Josh has one more to go. Wallow, Ellinger, this guy. This guy. Couple of offensive linemen there for you, Chris. Not exactly what you're looking for. Thanks for participating in the break, though, man. Appreciate you hopping in. Let's leave these up. We got one more box to do for Josh I. See what's inside. 2020 Onyx Vintage Football. All right, Josh, you got the last one, man. Good luck to you. This guy, redemption. Amari Rogers, blue ink autograph, wide receiver out of Clemson. All right, and that is going to do her on our last case of 2020 Onyx Vintage Football. So 2020 Onyx Vintage Football, 24-box case, random box break number 3. Thanks, everybody, for hopping in. That was a pretty good one. Had several quarterback autos. Yeah, that was a fun one. Thank you, thank you, thank you.